Welcome to Malá Strana, Prague's lesser town. Despite the name, this district is rich in history and elegance, nestled quietly between Prague Castle and the Vltava River. Our walk begins on Lázeňská Street, just outside Plný pekáč, a beloved local bakery and cafe. This area was once part of the medieval royal route to the castle, and you can still feel that echo of quiet dignity in the cobblestones beneath your feet. Just a short stroll brings us to the flower shop at the Red Lion. It sits on Saská Street, a lesser-known lane that once served as a shortcut between royal residences and gardens. The shop itself is a perfect example of Prague's fondness for traditional trades, beautiful, well-kept, and full of fresh seasonal blooms. From there, we head toward Na Kampě, a charming square on Kampě Island. This area has been shaped by both the Vltava River and centuries of local life. It's peaceful, tree-lined, and known for its art installations and markets. You will spot the Čertovka channel, nicknamed the Devil's Stream, an 800-year-old artificial branch of the river once used to power mills. Its name comes from a sharp-tongued local woman who lived nearby, and locals say the name stuck. everyone's coming. Prague narrowest alley. It's barely 50 centimeters wide in some places and includes a real pedestrian traffic light, just for fun and for safety. It leads to a small hidden restaurant terrace. But more importantly, it makes you smile.
Psychedelic, maybe it's magic, maybe we're just high. One more hit to keep this going on and on. I know that you want me in the morning, looking at me from the point of view. Lightning in a bottle, I've been searching for somebody just like you. Talking late night conversation, dating someone nice, say both for two. Maybe that's our only reservations, yeah. Somebody just like you. Didn't know this could be real. Makes no sense, is what I feel, new sensations. Kissing under summer moon, crashing waves in Malibu, no limitations. Oh, psychedelic, maybe it's magic, maybe we're just high. One more hit to keep this going on and on. I know that you want me in the morning, looking at me from the point of view.
We continue to Cihelná Street, home to one of David Černý's most playful installations, Čůrající postavy, or repeating figures. These bronze statues urinate on a map of the Czech Republic, and believe it or not, they are motorized and can spell messages. It's part of Černý's signature irreverent style, often blending humor and political commentary.
Somebody just like you, just like you, somebody just like you. Somebody just like you, just like you, somebody just like you. Somebody
Just a few steps away is a small but surprising gem. Pedal Planet, the Prague Pedal Car Museum. It's a private collection showcasing mid-20th century pedal cars from across Europe. Miniature classic lovingly restored and displayed. It's nostalgic, even if you've never ridden one. Our walk gently winds down as we approach the riverside. There, the Vltava River opened up before us, with a Charles Bridge rising in all its Gothic glory. Built in the 14th century, Under the rule of Emperor Charles IV, this bridge was for centuries the only way to cross the Vltava. It's lined with Baroque statues, alive with artists and musicians, and always offers one of the most iconic views in Europe. And there's where we leave you, standing quietly with a city at your feet, its beauty not shouting but softly whispering through each corner of Malá Strana. Thank you for joining us on this walk. If you enjoyed this deeper look into Prague's lesser town, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment or share the walk with someone who loves discovering cities through stories.